What's good? We're out here. Cool Cutty kicking spots, Berkeley Bowl, in the parking lot, in the car.
But we don't have time for this.
Door cannot turn off his hazards. He doesn't know where the button is. He might run out of foul. B-Bowl has done it again. We got 8 minutes to get a new case of coconut water, caramel sea salt, choco macaroons in the freezer, dried mangoes that hit hard. And vanilla clusters.
Bud! Come on, bud. Help me. Turn these shits off.
Turn up or turn off?
Bud, I was driving here with my hazards on. This. Oh! Drop beam. Bud, Pa-Chaow, help me find the switch, bud. I can't take this.
What do y'all think? Should I help him find a switch?
You're an idiot. Stop.
I'm an idiot. I'm the idiot. He's the one who can't turn off the hazard lights. What shape do we look for on Thursdays? Everybody knows, right?
It's a triangle. Now this shit won't attach. Where's the triangle? Is it in here? I had to have, until I was going like this.
You're going still. You're going still. He got it! He got it! We gotta get a post-game interview. Post-game interview. How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel?
We gotta get some coconut water.
How do you feel? How do you feel? I gotta close the whip. I gotta close the whip. Thuration! 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 Get back here! Okay, I've called back up with Thuration. Post-game interview. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Wow, that was intense.
Look what happens when you find a triangle. Everything connects. All right, we're walking into the Berkeley Bowl. Right now, keeping it good. Following the Custodian. Yeah, out here, Cool Cutty kicking spots. Berkeley Bowl, it's official with the Custodian. They got all good snacks. They got 2 Berkeley Bowls. We're actually in the old one. That's the one I'm talking about.
OG,
yeah.
Don't tell them.
This is the OG one. It's actually pretty nice, but sometimes when it's packed, you don't want to bring a shopping cart. That's what I said before. But the other one, the new one, that's the jump. Check out all these kale chips, goji bear, acai, pomegranate, Mackies, Goat, trail mix. Welcome back, cacao nibbies. These are bomb power food snacks. Cacao stees, talking about chocolate, Goat, pomegranate, kale chips. Welcome back, healthy snacks. These are these epic macaroons. You want these? Chocolate, caramel sea salt.